No comments. Muchas gracias. I'm kidding. I don't speak any of Spanish, so no habla español. I guess that's the only phrase that I know. So what's up? Hello everybody. I'm Alex, and the only main reason why I'm recording this video, because I would like to show you the way that you can make some profit. And besides that, I'm having my Telegram VIP channel, which is absolutely free, and that channel just gives you a lot of necessary information and lots of details on the strategies and the tactics, everything that you would like to have as a trader. Yeah, so do not forget to join there. The link is gonna be below in the description. Do not forget to leave a like, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So 3 steps that you should be taking. Yeah, let's start our trading session. We are having $100 today. We're having euro and Great British pounds, and I mean the price stayed below the upper Bollinger Band. ADX signals for the upward trend, so I will be going for long, honestly. And we are having the strong bullish candle right there that formed the resistance, the peak, I would say. That's not a resistance level, which is 0.86489. slow motioning for all the time that you're in my parade. Oh my god, what the hell is going on with me? I'm gonna be mad. I'm just so tired. For all the time that you read my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. Here we go. We have profit. First freaking profit in this video. $92. Not too bad, not too bad. You know, the price dropped below the, right now it's above, but apparently it's below the midline of the Bollinger Bands. ADX also signals for the downward move, so I would go for the short. And honestly, the drone channel does not really apply here, you know. So yeah, I'm going short. Okay, my talent just faded away today. No, disappeared, vanished, everything. Here we go. I guess I hear some thunder. Oh, finally. I forgot to follow the candle itself and the trade itself, but it was kind of like 5 seconds left, and I'm looking at it and it's very close to the loss. But luckily we got everything that we needed. I believe that we're going to be bouncing off from the lower boundary of this parallel, and the price will be moving upward from that level. I mean, the middle line of the Bollinger Bands acts as a support right there. So I will go for a long. What the hell? The time of the candle and time of our bet is the same, so they are matching, I believe. No comments. We were very close, like very much close, but okay. So the situation right here, guys, what the hell, not 422, not maximum 250. Yeah, ADX for short, the price is below the Bollinger Bands, and you just can't break above it. Yeah, we are having like the midline acting as a resistance, and it is indeed strong. So I don't really think that we have any chance of going long in this situation. We have 35 seconds left, and hopefully, we're just working with it. Nice. I told you. I told you. I told you. Putting 350 right here, and I would like to go short because we're kind of in a bit of a boat situation, and oscillator shows the beginning. Nice. Good job. Good job. By the way, I mean, at the very second, once we won the bet, it just started going long back. We do have a strong uptrend right here. I would love to go long. I mean, ADX confirms the upward movement. We even broke the top of the Bollinger Band, so oh my god, we're just crushing it. Nice. I mean, I like what we're having right here. And guys, of course, talking about the trading, talking about the tactics and the strategics, and I mean, yeah. Talking about all of it, the key point right here during this videos, the VIP channel of mine that I have in Telegram, you may be watching the videos and you may feel happy for me, really very much appreciate it, but I would love to be feeling the same way for you as well. So nothing stops you there just from joining the VIP channel, because it's free. You just tapping or clicking on it and you there earning $1,296 from just $100. Here we go. This is how it works. Everything is free right here. I mean, I'm not pushing or insisting, but once it's free, why wouldn't you try it? I don't know. So the link is going to be below in the description. Do not forget to leave a like, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me grow, because the more I grow, the more I'm able to help, and the better I will be helping and assisting you guys. So thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay lucky. I'm wishing you all the profits in the world. Thank you.